Today we have a 2004 Nakamura Tome WTS150 11-axis CNC turning center. Machine has a FANUC 16i control. That's the main spindle on the left at 1,000. That's 2,500 RPM. $3,500 RPM. All right. All right, we do the right spindle now. Right spindle has a 6-inch chuck on it. Left spindle has that collet chuck. That's 1,000 RPM. 2,500. 3,500. All right, there's the, what are we doing? C-axis on the left spindle. the right spindle. All right, now we'll do the left. All right. Lower turret first. We have Y-axis capability on both upper turrets. We have live milling on all the turrets as well. 1,000 RPM. 2,000 RPM. 2,500 RPM. All right, that's 3,000 RPM on the live tool. Okay. All right, we'll do the upper left, Z. X. Y. All right. Turret index. Now we're on the live tool. 1,200 on the rotary tool. That's 2,000. 2,500. All right. The right turret again now. All right. Index. Rotary tools at 1,300, 1,500. That's 2,500. All right. Parts catcher. Machine also comes with a chip conveyor. Has an IMCA 545 magazine bar loader. High pressure coolant, Latham high pressure coolant. We have the tooling that's mounted on the turrets goes with it, along with other static and live holders.